Developments in Rhode Island's pension reform law set to go into effect July 1st. The state's public sector unions are suing Rhode Island over the landmark pension law pushed by General Treasurer Gina Raimondo and Governor Chafee. The unions say the law is unconstitutional and they hope to shut it down before it takes effect in 2 weeks. Target 12 investigators broke the story first on WPRI.com, and Tim White is outside Superior Court in Providence with all the details.
Late this afternoon, a Superior Court judge denied the union request from blocking pension reform from taking effect next month. A hearing in this case is scheduled for July 16th.
In November, lawmakers passed a bill that dramatically overhauled the state pension system aimed at reducing Rhode Island's massive pension debt. The bill froze cost of living adjustments for up to 20 years and moved most current employees into a hybrid pension/401k style plan.
They thought this was a weapon of mass destruction, this unfunded liability. They drank the Kool-Aid and they made a terrible legal mistake.
Labor leader Robert Walsh of Teachers Union NEA Rhode Island says that Kool-Aid was served up by General Treasurer Gina Raimondo. He says she manufactured the pension crisis by convincing the state retirement board that Wall Street investments won't be as high as the state had planned on.
And they have to come to the table and sit down and negotiate with us.
This lawsuit has been expected since the bill was passed, and 2 months ago we asked Raimondo the impact on taxpayers if the state lost.
If that law is repealed, the municipalities will have to find $100 million next year alone. You will see devastation, I believe, in municipalities not being able to pay those bills.
The research was not done, the homework wasn't done, and while the treasurer says she followed the math, she forgot to follow the law.
In a statement, Raimondo's office called the law thoughtful, carefully designed, and fact-based. The governor's office tells us that this lawsuit wasn't unexpected, and he's confident that state lawyers will represent taxpayers well in this case. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.